This video covers the basic features and operation of the Deako ventilation timer switch. A great upgrade that helps ensure adequate bathroom ventilation while also meeting exhaust ventilation requirements. The ventilation timer is designed to replace the standard Deako on-off rocker switch, or the simple timer switch. The Deako ventilation timer switch utilizes two built-in timers, one controlling the bathroom timer and one controlling the hourly ventilation timer. Using the ventilation setting, the user is able to set the number of minutes per hour that the bathroom exhaust fan should run to achieve desired or code-required ventilation. Down the right-hand side of the switch, there are three preset timer buttons: 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and 60 minutes. Pushing any of these buttons will activate the timer. The hourly timer control allows you to control the hourly ventilation. This timer works together with the 3-button timer. Turn the countdown timer on. Either press the rocker switch on to turn on the fan, or by pushing one of the 3 time selection buttons on the right. If you turn on the fan by the rocker switch for the first time, the default is 30 minutes. The next time you use the fan and press the rocker switch, it will conveniently count down from the last time used. To select a different time, press the button corresponding to the desired time. The corresponding indicator light will light up for the duration of the time selected. The ventilation timer runs for the selected amount of time every hour to help ensure adequate indoor air ventilation. Setting the dial to 0 means the ventilation timer will never turn on. Setting the dial to 60 means the bathroom fan will run continuously. The ventilation timer takes into account both independent timers on the switch. Here's a use case for how the ventilation timer may work in your day-to-day life. Let's say you set the timer to 20 minutes for every hour, meaning that for every hour of time, the ventilation timer will ventilate the room for 20 minutes, always doing so at the end of the hour. So, for every 40 minutes of time in a room, the remaining 20 minutes of the hour will be ventilating. This is every hour on the hour until a change is made. Now let's say the room is in use, set with the same timer for 20 minutes every hour. If for the first 10 minutes of the hour, the timer is not in use, and then the next 10 minutes, the timer is in use, that 10 minutes will eat into the already predetermined 20 minutes of ventilation time. Meaning that after 30 minutes has passed after the first ventilation cycle, there are still 10 minutes remaining in the predetermined 20 minutes. So that will happen at the back of the hour, the final 10 minutes. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to support@deako.com. Thanks for watching.